In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite members to Upwork agency. We'll walk through the exact path inside Upwork so you can add teammates quickly and confidently. Make sure you're signed into the account that owns your agency and that you have permission to manage members. Open your web browser, head to your preferred search engine, and type Upwork. Click the official Upwork website in the results, then sign in if needed. If you use multiple profiles, confirm you're in your agency or company workspace before continuing. I recommend using a desktop browser, since the menus we'll use are easiest to find there. At the upper right, click your profile avatar to open the account menu, then choose Account Settings. If prompted, switch to your agency context so the right options appear. This ensures you're managing the correct organization. In Settings, locate Teams and Members. This is where you manage your organization, view existing teams, current members, and how invitations are handled. Depending on your plan, it may appear under Organization, Company, or Agency Settings. To send new invites, open the Invitations section. This page is also where you'll later track who's been invited and their status. Click Invite Members. A form appears where you can enter the email addresses of the people you'd like to add. You can invite several at once by adding multiple emails, separated by commas or line breaks. You can paste a list from a document or spreadsheet. Just double-check spelling so delivery doesn't fail. Use addresses they actively check so the message doesn't get missed. Below that, there's a message field. It's optional, but adding a short note helps. Briefly explain which team they're joining, why they're being invited, and any quick next steps. Clear context reduces back and forth and helps new members accept promptly. If you want to assign specific roles, be aware that advanced role assignment requires unlocking a Business Plus plan. Without it, members join with the default permissions available on your current plan. You'll notice the role controls are limited or locked if you don't have that plan, and you can always upgrade later if you need more control. Review your entries and click Send Invite. Upwork sends each person an email with a link to join your team, or to create an account if they're new. If someone can't find the message, have them check spam or promotions folders. After sending, you'll see your invitations and their statuses in the Invitations area, which makes it easy to monitor progress. And that's the process, from signing in, to settings, to teams and members, and finally sending the invites. Repeat these steps anytime you need to expand your agency, and include a clear, friendly message for faster acceptances.